extensible tool for automated design for manufacturability reviews. That's a mouthful. But this is mainly for injection molding. It will be presented by Bhaskar Sinha of Geometric Limited. DFMPro is an innovative CAD integrated design for manufacturing tool. DFMPro highlights areas in a design which have manufacturability issues and also provides suggestions and best practices followed by the industry or the organization to overcome such issues. Current modules of DFMPro can process machining and sheet metal components. The injection molding module provides the ability to find out manufacturability issues related to plastic components at design stage. It also provides information to the users on design areas which are going to reduce the life of the tool or increase the cost. Bhaskar, please go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. The goal of any manufacturing organization is to get the product onto the market in the shortest possible time at the lowest cost and quality. Now, they face a problem when the product reaches the manufacturing trial stage. They suddenly detect problems that the product cannot be manufactured because of issues related to the product design. Now, it's too late to correct this design at this stage and very expensive, which delays the time to market and increases the cost. But such kind of manufacturability issues are difficult to detect at the design stage. Today, several practices exist to prevent these kind of issues at the design stage, like using DFM guidelines, handbooks, using experts, doing reviews, and consulting with manufacturing engineers. But the current practices are all manual and it's error prone, and it leads to inconsistent design quality. Today, there are no tools to enforce these kind of guidelines. To address this problem, Geometric has come up with a design for manufacturability tool called DFMPro, which addresses the manufacturability issues right in the design stage. So the designers are able to correct the manufacturability issues while they are designing the product right into the CAD systems. We have the product available for various modules like machining and sheet metal. And it's available in the leading CAD systems like CATIA and Pro Engineer and SolidWorks. Recently, we have introduced a new model for the plastics community. It's the injection molding module. Now, what DFMPro does is that as the designer is making the design, it reinterprets the design on the manufacturability aspect, and it applies those manufacturability rules, and the designer is able to correct those issues while he is designing. DFMPro also provides a framework to capture the in-house knowledge of the organization. So if a mistake is caught in an organization, it can be easily captured into the DFMPro framework so that next time that particular mistake doesn't occur. The greatest benefit of this tool is that it helps to reduce the number of iterations that happen at between the design and the manufacturing, and hence it reduces the time to market and cost. So right now the injection molding module is introduced into the market, and we have 9 out-of-the-box rules available for the users, and of course users can add as many rules as possible as per their requirement. Here you see that how DFMPro is integrated within the CAD environment. It's tightly integrated, and it provides the information or the design issues to the designer so that he can take corrective action. The video here shows DFMPro in action. So you can see that as the designer is modeling, he just clicks on DFMPro, and he's able to detect all the problems in his design. So DFMPro not only shows where the problems are, what are the parameters that are violated, it also gives what are the best practices. So there's a contextual help. So it's more like a learning for the designer who is mostly not aware of the manufacturing point of view. So in this case, you can see that as he has detected the problems, he's correcting the model. And once he has corrected as per the suggestion provided by the tool, he can just rerun the tool, and then continue his analysis to correct the other problems that are shown by the tool. Now, DFMPro also provides a very comprehensive report capability to capture all the instances of failures which the designers can view at a later stage. So it's just a HTML kind of a report which you can open in any browser and have a look at the various problems. In future, we want this tool to be standards in the DFM area. We want to add more and more tools to help the designers in various areas like injection molding is the one that we are handling now. We want to add casting and other domains. We also want to add a capability where user or designers can get an indication of the cost of the product as it's designed. We want to support a 3D kind of reporting capability because that's the most important feature. When he's looking at the report, he's able to actually see where those problem areas are while he's outside the CAD environment. So that's all from my side. Thank you.